Hey y'all, you ever spill oil on your driveway and you're looking for an easy and inexpensive way to fix that? If so, hang tight, I got something for you. Howdy YouTube, thanks for stopping in at Dad's Toolbox. While I was filming this video about changing your brakes on your car, I was compressing the pistons back into the caliper, which pushed the brake fluid back up into the master cylinder, which overflowed because the previous owner of the vehicle refilled the master cylinder when they saw it was getting low instead of inspecting their brake pads. Now, if you're anything like me, you don't want big oil stains on your driveway. You don't want mama getting upset at you for messing up the driveway. Or if you live in a rental, your landlord's going to have something to say about it. So it's best just to get it cleaned up. Now, the quicker you get on this, the better, which I went on the internet just for argument's sake here to see what we're looking at as far as products that are available to deal with oil spills. And you can see here, they had stuff ranging from $8 to up to like $40 that you could order just off of Amazon alone to deal with this problem. But you'll see that they're all basically, with the exception of these mats, these pads, they're all basically the same kind of product. They're granular, solid material that you pour on top of your oil spill in order to absorb it. Well, if you go down to Walmart, you can get a 7-pound bag of fragrance-free cat litter for $1.18. So within 20 minutes of spilling this oil, you can be down to the Walmart, get your cat litter, and be back at your oil spill dealing with it for $1.18. I think that beats anything that I saw on Amazon there. Now, how you're going to do this, I mean, it doesn't get any more simple than you open the bag and you pour it onto your oil spill. Now, what I'll do, especially in a situation like this driveway here where I was working, it's over 40 some odd years old. It's very porous from the weather. So in order to get our absorbent material down into the pores in this concrete, and I just stepped on it and ground it into the pores. That powder will get down in there and it'll soak up that oil and grab it. Make sure that when you pour this out, you pour it on an area that's actually bigger than your oil spill. And then, like I said, just grind it in real good and then leave it sit. So in this case, I left the kitty litter on the oil spill for about 10 days, according to the timestamps on these videos. And that's only because that was when I had my next set of days off. I would say that if you kept it on there for about a week, that would be plenty of time for the absorbent to pull the oil up out of that concrete. And really, it doesn't get any much more simple than pour some kitty litter on it and then sweep it back up later. And you can't beat the price. So, with all that said, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some way. If so, throw me a thumbs up. Let me know I'm doing all right. And if you'd like to see more videos like this little guy here, hit that subscribe button and that'll let you know when I've got more stuff out. Thanks for stopping in.